Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Now, have you ever wondered what happens when a filmmaker as talented as Taylor Sheridan sets his sights on a horror legend like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre? Imagine the tension in Hollywood as multiple big name studios and creators vie for the rights. Uh, um, Sheridan, famous for his gritty stories and Texas themed dramas, is rumored to have his eye on this iconic franchise. He's already made a huge mark with Yellowstone, expanding his universe into multiple spin-offs and prequels. Uh, but now Sheridan might step outside his usual Western frontier to bring a new spin to horror. But currently, he's he's only involved as a producer, not a direct creator. But the stakes are high. The rights to Texas Chainsaw Massacre have been held by Verve since 2017, and they're gearing up for a fierce bidding war starting in June. Um, this franchise has a rich history, uh, beginning with the 1974 film that shocked audiences and changed horror forever. Over the years, it was grown into a cultural phenomenon, uh, spawning movies, exports, and video games. The original remains available for streaming. Uh, Favorite among fans who still get chills revisiting the terror of Leatherface. Hollywood's got other plans too. Filmmakers like Oz Perkins and Brian Bertino have teamed up to send proposals to the rights holders, aiming to develop a fresh take on the terror. Um, Meanwhile, Jordan Peele's Monkey Paw Productions is eyeing the franchise, but only as a producer. Absolutely, character doesn't mean very. Other teams are talking about turning Texas Chainsaw into a TV series or even a new feature for Netflix. What's clear is that everyone wants a piece of Leatherface. The franchise's original success proves there's still a big appetite for horror even after nearly 50 years. Um, and it's like trying to outrun Leatherface. Good luck, because he's always just around the corner. Here's a little joke for you. Why did Leatherface always get good grades? Um, because he was great at cutting to the chase. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.